Hey bookkeepers, it's Trudy at Maven. You ever get a last minute panic email and your brain just says, I'm going to vent about this right now? Just stop. I want to show you how you can blow off steam without blowing up your reputation. And this is really important. I chose this because public venting cost me goodwill once with a great referral partner. I ranted in a private group. Screenshots are forever. Lesson learned. And remember, your success as a bookkeeper is 100% tied to your credibility, and that in turn is tied directly to your reputation. So that circumstance changed my perspective, and I created a little 6-item venting list. These are tools that discharge stress without damaging trust. And that's what I recommend. Have a little menu somewhere. It doesn't have to be this one, but create your own little list. Here are my recommendations. All right. Number 1, breathe. Okay, and you've probably heard this 100 times, but just breathe. Inhale 4, hold 4, exhale 6. In 4, hold 4, out 6. Feel your shoulders drop, relax, get your heart rate down. All right, and then we also have the psychological sigh, which is a short inhale through the nose, followed by a second short sip of air, and then a long, slow exhale through the mouth. Do either one of these for 60 seconds before you do anything else. Next is a 2-minute body dump. The objective here is that changing your body state also changes your brain state. So this is literally jumping jacks, push-ups, whatever you can sustain for 30 to 60 seconds, all right? Squats, anything that gets you physically active, okay? And that gets you out of a little rut there. This is also when it's great if you do have access to a punching bag right in your vicinity. Great way to work that out, okay? It's a physical release, all right? And again, changing your body state changes your brain state. Tool number 3 is a 5-minute brain dump. It's a list, okay, to get the noise out of your head. Just grab a sheet of paper and just write. I like to use 3 headings: next action, what am I waiting on, and what questions do I have? And then just write. There's no editing. Most of the time my handwriting's so bad I can't even read it afterwards. But the objective is to get it off your chest, so to speak, and get it down on paper, okay? Tool 4 is a write and shred. So similar to a brain dump, set a 2-minute timer and just write it all down. What happened? How did you feel about it? What could you control? What can you not control? What should you do next? And then destroy it or delete it. The goal here is to release, not to record it for posterity. Tool 5 is a timer vent with rules. So pick one trusted ally and then use this script. Literally, say this: I need 2 minutes. I need a clear static. I'm going to give you facts, then feelings, and then one fix. Then set your timer and do it. Say thank you, take one action, move on. Don't share names, screenshots, no forwarding, none of that. Tool 6, a micro playlist or a temperature reset, either one. The micro playlist is 60 to 90 seconds, just blasting or quietly listening, your choice, to some kind of music that either lifts you up or calms you down. And you know what that is. Or take a cold water, splash it on your face, put it on your wrist, get a quick psychological shift, okay? Temperature reset. Here's what not to do. Do not vent in DMs, Slack, or client channels. Do not email while angry. Park it. Drafts in review for tomorrow. Do not post in groups you don't have control over. Private is not private, not in this day and age. All right? So now, here's your call to action. Pressure is part of your job, okay? You can bend, but you've got to stop breaking. So keep the menu handy. Breathe for 60 seconds. Move your body for 2 minutes. Dump the thoughts. Write and shred. Timer vent. Crank your playlist. Pick one off the menu. You may need more than one. You may have a different menu, but take that one useful action. That's how you release the stress and keep the trust. And by the way, working out daily is a great way to keep that up. So if that's helpful, make sure you subscribe and ring the bell. And what's up next? Up next, look good, feel good, play good, get paid. Play good. Is that proper grammar? I don't know. I'll check. I'll see you there.